Jazeera Airways sees huge potential in the Indian market.
The lowest seat factor that we see out of India in any route is 86%, and the highest seat factor we see is 90%. We actually short of capacity, and ideally I'd like to put in a lot more capacity into Delhi, but we are restricted by the bilateral agreements between the two countries, and work is ongoing on both sides to increase the level of operations between carriers of the two countries. I can foresee Jazeera being interested to operate at least to another 10 cities in India.
ITDC invites bids for the daily operations and maintenance of Hotel Kalinga Ashok in Bhubaneswar.
I saw many times Travel Talk magazine. I like it. I found every time from India some news. Very old magazine. I saw in WTM in London, also ITV Berlin, and Moscow Meet, and Milano Meet, and also Barcelona Features.
How are NTOs and DMCs playing a vital role in doing business? We asked the experts.
In FIT business, DMC plays a vital role. In MICE movement of any kind, people take things directly, but they still need a ground handler. Picking up the right DMC is very important, and OTOAI is playing a big role now, identifying DMCs who are trustable.
So DMC plays a very vital role, especially in emerging countries such as, let's say, Iceland, because this is where even a mature traveler, for example myself, who's almost been to 88 countries, needs support, when you want to go to a country like Iceland.
Any destination which we are booking for our clients, a local presence there is half the battle won. When you actually act as a mediator with collecting information, passing to the tour operators like us in India, and moreover, the special deals and the new upcoming features and everything is really important, which we can only learn through DMC. It will rather be a big task. It's better to have a DMC with one point of contact giving all the services to the agents.
From India, there are a lot of new destinations emerging, and where people are not really aware, there the DMCs play a very major role.